Hello, welcome to RLTW Strategies. My name's Mike, and we're going to go ahead and record a trading session of trading the open market on Monday. I believe it's the 15th of September, and we got contract rollover tomorrow. So, and the FOMC on Wednesday. We got news. Market opens in 4 minutes, so let's go ahead and check out the market. So, as you can see, we are looking at the NASDAQ on Topstep X. It's my trading platform and prop firm. I took two payouts, a 5K payout and a 3K payout. I've also am struggling this month. I had 2 red days, almost back to back, a huge almost 6K red day on Wednesday, and I almost had a 2K red day on Friday. And at the last 5 minutes, I traded, obviously over traded on Friday. But we closed the day around $500, $550, and this morning I'm up $422. Last month was a pretty good month. I took a 3K payout this month, and I went ahead, since I had such a hard day on Wednesday, I already took a 5K payout for the month of September, so I'm not going to take any more payouts for the month of September, and we will work towards October. So for today, let's go ahead and look at the levels. We are breaking all-time highs in the NASDAQ right now, and it's mainly because of, I think it's from Elon Musk buying a heck load of Tesla shares. We have Microsoft shooting up right now. We have Nvidia dropped big last night, but it's up 50%. Palantir followed them. Tesla's pulling back a little bit, but Microsoft is going up huge. So market's going to open in 2 minutes. We're going to do a 1 minute opening range box at open, and we're going to trade off that. Get things squared away. Oh, where's that box at? I drew my levels. I posted my levels on X. I drew it on the Topstep X platform. So after the opening range, actually, we could go ahead and look at it right now. So these are the levels. We got yesterday's close on the regular trading hours. This is electronic trading hours. So we're trading, and market's going to open in 1 minute. So I'll show you. Oh my God. All right, there you go. 1 minute. I think Topstep X is freaking out right now. All right, market's open. Got the first opening range down here. This was all-time highs during market trading hours. This was pre-market right here. And there's the 1 minute opening range. We got a new all-time high. So I'm going to change this to a level. And we're going to go ahead and just have this be our new all-time high during trading hours. And keep track. This was yesterday's all-time high. Here's today. We didn't break the opening range. I'm going to go ahead and move the opening range on the trading view chart real quick. All right, let's see what we do. 5 minute and the 100 tick chart. That's what we're going to watch. Try not to lose any capital today. And I'm just going to watch the opening range. Gold is moving up. New all-time high again. We're just going. We could go to 24. Oh, it did 24,200. Let's see if we bounce off the opening range box. Took a bounce right here. Looks like we bounced. See if the 5-minute range bounces. We got the 100-tick chart bouncing so far on the top of the opening range. Got the 1-minute chart bouncing on the opening range. Just by the dip, man. Microsoft's moving up. Alphabet's moving up. Apple is flat at open. It was high during pre-market. Dow is selling off? I don't think so. Let's see. Yeah, Dow's selling off a little bit. We could break back into the opening range. We have a new all-time high. And we got a gap fill to the bottom. NASDAQ's falling down. Amazon's up. Microsoft's moving up. Microsoft could start pulling back. Back at the opening range again. Now we're in the middle of the opening range. Let's see if we're going to hit any stops. ES is coming down. If we reject this 21 EMA on the 100-tick chart, it could be a good short.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, so we're above the opening range. It might be a good long day, but we got contract rollover coming up, so it's kind of hard to decide what direction we're going to go. And right now we're just going up, but it looks like it's going to be a zone right here. Got Trump talking at between 12 to 1 o'clock this afternoon. If we pop up again, I'm going to go short. I might be too late. Okay, here we're going up. Let's see if I got the cojones to short at the top of this range. I mean, that's strong. This is where I want to short. Maybe have a new level right here. You could also go up to a pivot point of 24,270.
Order filled.
Tesla's doing a hard pullback right now. People may be profit taking in Tesla.
Order filled.
That could have been a liquidity pool. VWAP's crossing the 2021 EMA. Gold is just going to an all-time high. Not all-time high. It's at 36.90. It's scary at the top, I'll tell you that. Nvidia's moving back up.
Order filled.
Volume may be slowing down. That might be the pop in the morning. If that's the pop of the morning,
Order filled.
it's probably going to hit here, and that was going to be $2,000 in profit. But we'll just build another pullback. We'll just wait for another pullback. Apple's coming back down. Alphabet and Google are coming back down. We're above the opening range. The ES is slightly coming back
Order
down.
filled.
Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we come back down to here.
Order filled.
I'm just watching the 100 tick chart. We got a pivot here. That pivot on the 100 tick chart, yeah, we're gonna bounce here. That would have been 400. Actually, we might bounce here. This was the old previous all-time high. Google, Apple are all coming down. Nvidia and Palantir are moving back up. Microsoft's moving up. Gold, ES could bounce. Here we go. We're retesting the 1 minute opening range box possibly again. Let's see if we do it. Tesla's coming back down. Alphabet's coming down. Apple's dropping pretty big. If we pop back up to here, well, we could come all the way back down to fill the gap. This could be a big indecisive candle as well. We could come all the way up back up to here to 24.211. We touch the opening range box. Let's see if we bounce back up. All right, so I think I might conclude the trading session. I expect a slight pullback this afternoon. I expect us to stay in a range. We might not be breaking this all-time high anymore. And then again, we might. So trade safe, and I will generate this recap and get back to you guys on X, and I'll talk to you later. Y'all have a good one, and hit the like, subscribe. I might produce more videos, I don't know. It's kind of just give or take depending on if I am available to record the session or not. Usually I'm at the office. I do trade in my office, but I don't have a recording set up at my office. So with that, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Be safe. Watch your risk, and I'll catch you on the flip side. If you know what movie that is, let me know in the comments. Talk to you later. Bye.